Hi, my name is Nasser Jaferovich, currently working here at MEL01 C&D as a project coordinator. Currently standing here in front of the completion and installation of the MEL01 C&D link bridge.
This is currently connecting MEL01B building, which was handed over last year, to a under construction building, MEL01C. The bridge is 54 meters from the boundary of building B to connecting into building C. So the whole purpose of this link bridge is to connect two live data center buildings. Once both buildings are fully handed over, to be able to transport racks for the data center. Some of these racks can weigh up to 3 tons.
When the bridge actually was getting delivered to site, it was a lot to take into consideration. Even though the workshop's actually just around the corner from us, we had to make sure traffic management was in place, making sure that the trucks delivered on site fit through the buildings, fit through our roadways, and ensured it was in line with the crane to install.
So it started as a very simple idea to, like I said before, connect two buildings for security reasons. It very quickly became a logistics and construction nightmare, just given the constraints we have. A large data center building, which is on the other side. So just from the onset, stick building this building in its final position would have been completely impossible. So that's where we jumped straight away into a prefabricated construction. When we decided to go modular, everyone got excited because it's in our DNA. We pride ourselves with being builders that look into the better way to build things. We look into manufacturing. We've been doing HVAC systems for a long time. So the moment the opportunity became available to do this bridge as a modular system, everyone was very happy and very excited.
I would say it definitely reinforces my view on Hickory and our capabilities. So as I said, throughout this whole project and this link bridge in particular, it was all prefabrication. Even our facade, it was from our Hickory facade team. But then also working as Hickory installs, we have our own riggers helping with the installation, our own Hickory site management and safety management. It was definitely an eye-opening experience on what we can do.
Once the bridge module was delivered and lifted, there was no turning back. So everything had to be millimeter perfect.
They'd be surprised to understand the complexity of not only the structures, but integrating the structures with the services and every team behind that. The hydraulics, the mechanical, the electrical. From the outside, everyone thinks it's a big box, but inside it's way more than that. At the end of it, the whole week was a hard week. It was long hours, but it was a good experience. Definitely one you can learn from. To be proud of it actually being installed, see it nice and finished, or finished and handed over, yeah, it's a really proud achievement.